Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor loading error in WordPress. If you've been experiencing issues with Elementor not loading properly or getting stuck on the loading screen, this tutorial will walk you through 2 effective methods to resolve this problem and get your page builder working smoothly again. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply open your browser, navigate to your WordPress site's admin URL, and enter your credentials to access the backend of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all the tools necessary to fix this loading issue. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar where all your WordPress options are located. Click on Plugins and then select Installed Plugins from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page displaying all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. This is where you'll be able to manage and update Elementor directly. Now scroll down through your list of installed plugins until you locate Elementor. Once you've found it, check the box beside Elementor to select it. After selecting Elementor, scroll back up to the top of the page and look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Update and then click Apply. This will force WordPress to update Elementor to its latest version, which often resolves loading errors caused by outdated files or compatibility issues. If updating the plugin doesn't solve your loading problem, there's another method you can try. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and look for Elementor in the left sidebar menu. Click on it, then select Settings from the submenu options. This will open Elementor's settings page where you can adjust various configuration options. Within the settings page, navigate to the Advanced tab. Here you'll find several technical options that control how Elementor operates. Look for an option labeled Switch Editor Loader Method and enable it by toggling the switch or checking the box next to it. This feature changes the way Elementor loads in your browser and can bypass loading issues caused by certain server configurations or conflicts with other plugins. After enabling the Switch Editor Loader method, make sure to scroll down and click Save Changes to apply this new setting. This step is crucial because without saving, your changes won't take effect and the loading error will persist. And there you have it, 2 straightforward methods to fix the Elementor loading error in WordPress. By either updating the plugin or switching the editor loader method, you should now be able to access Elementor without any loading issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.